How you doing, folks? Gabe Borboa, DMTPTV, coming to you live and in person. We are here in beautiful Salt Lake. What are you guys wearing?
These are the cool vests you gave us. We wanted to show you how much we appreciate them.
Vests are required to have sleeves underneath. I mean,
well, you didn't give us Logic.
No, you gave us vests. We didn't even get hats.
We don't make Logic bottoms. Are you guys wearing? I mean, never mind. We don't make Logic underwear either, so keep the camera high. I am here to talk to you about repair templates for metal repair. Yes, your filler, your glaze, your abrasives, your wiggle wire, your draw pins. We have a template that helps you collect on those items. Do it, apply them, make some money on the items they say are included, but you know they're not. We know they're not. Make that money. We encourage you to do it. If you have questions about these templates, reach out to one of us. Make sure that they are on a Zoom call from the waist up when you do so. Thank you for tuning in. We love that you're here. We are always out to help you succeed.
We're just exercising our right to bear arms.
There's no right to bear buns, though. These guys, I'll tell you what.
Come on, bring it in. Man, he is up tight.
I think so. Hey, Anthony Lewis, DMTPTV. We'll see you guys next time.